There's one more box. It looked like a junk pile because it was on the floor, but then it did move when I kicked it.
Yeah.
See, I got so overactivated by the case, I forgot about it. That sounded like another crank, though, didn't it?
It did.
Probably for that. Ooh. No.
No?
No. See aluminum. See more aluminum. Looks like
a case.
Looks like a shovelhead. Yeah. I took care of your case problem. I think this is the rest of the 80-inch motor.
Probably.
Yeah. It's late. It's past 80.
Oh, yeah.
There's no H and there's no J, so it's past 80. And we're thinking 83 from all these parts, so I'd have to run the number. Well, that would take care of your case problem, but you don't want to do that. So.
I don't want to do that.
Yeah. Damn, now instead of heads, I got an 80-inch shovel motor to put together and sell to somebody.
Yeah.
That sounds like too much work now. What if this half fits your motor?
Probably not.
There's some extra parts in there too, look at that.
I know.
That doesn't look like a crankshaft.
Full of parts. It's got new points in there.
You got one of those. Two of those. Three of those. What's in there? It's like a condenser wire hanging out. Ooh, more points. Generator points, though. More generator points. Here we go. What's wrong with these? Looks pretty good. Well, got one groove in it. In the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Don't hurt anything over there. Even the main bearing looks good. And the front matches that flywheel over there.
Yeah.
Well, there's the missing bearing.
There you go.
Put that thing right back together.
Yeah.
Got the cylinders, pistons. Just need some heads. Got rocker boxes. Somebody was stealing my cam though. They had a cam cover somewhere. Remember I saw that.
Oh, yeah.
We put that ugly chrome one on there.
Yeah.
We can put the good one on there.
I think the good one would look better on there.
There's no oil pump though. It's at least an 81 because it's got the lead pump on it. This one's not broken like yours.
No, it's not.
Ooh. Feel those.
Oh, God, what's going on under there?
Loose. That motor was shaking in the frame. Holy shit. No, these were tight.
Man.
That thing eating the piss out of that thing.
Horrible.
Yeah, that thing was... That was a shaker there. That thing was shaking up a storm. Damn. Yeah. Looks like I got an 80-inch motor put together. These are early points, Excel. Late rotors. It all matches. See?
Yeah.
And this was a condenser in here. And a point. Well, there's some more of those weird points. Except this one's in a box. It's probably this one right here that's missing. So this is a point kit. American-made products.
All right.
Those are nice points. This is good quality stuff.
That's fancy.
It's actually made in USA too.
Ooh.
Nope. No closer. Oh, this one's busted open too. What's in this one? This got used points in this one? Oh, it looks new.
Brand new. Looky there.
More good points. This doesn't make sense. You had a nice bag here. Put all the crap in one bag. I'm pretty sure I can tell the different points and dream wheels.
You sure?
Yeah. Yes, I can tell the difference between those two. All right, well there you go. We got a nice crank for you to put together. But you don't want to do that. Do it.
Well, I can put it together for you while you put together mine.
No, you got too much work down here.
Well, that's why it's here.
We got 4 cases over there to make one.
Yeah, that's why it's here. Because I need your help with that one.
You know, that's because you got 4 pieces. Only need 2.
Yeah.
Put this 6-speed twin cam crank in it?
No.
No. It was all the fun.
Yeah, it's not gonna be that easy.
You want to do that easy? Oh well. All right, that's it for tonight.